Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get a promo code for Hollister. If you find this video useful, please leave a like and sub to our channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I'm going to open up any web browser on my mobile device. I'm going to head on over to Google. And now inside the Google search bar, I'm going to type in Hollister promo code. And then after that, you'll be brought to a list of Google results here. So you got coupon follow, retail me at $10 off Hollister, coupons.com, Join Honey, Simple Codes. So these are the top third-party websites that offer these promo codes for different websites and applications. So one I like to use is Coupon Follow, so 40% off Hollister coupons. So I'm going to click into this website. So as you can see, there's a whole bunch of different coupon codes I could be using for Hollister. So to activate any one of these, you simply click on the code you want to use. So I want to get 40% discount using this promo code. And now I want to copy this code here and then paste this code at the checkout section of Hollister. So when you're at the checkout section, you'll see enter promo or enter discount. Paste in this code and you'll receive 40% off that purchase. Or you can simply redeem at Hollister by clicking this link here below this code, and they'll activate the 40% off automatically.